To download additional fonts in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find the personalization. Select it and then move down until we locate the themes. Now, next step is to find the font that you like, and sometimes it's complicated since some are locked behind the themes, so you will need to download a specific theme with specific font to use it, or you can go into the categories as well, and then there's plenty of fonts right here, but also keep in mind that some of them will cost money. As you can see, most of them here are free, but if we scroll down, then the prices start to change. Now let's select, for example, this theme, this specific font right here. We can download it for free. When it's done, we can apply it. And that way, as you can see, our font have changed. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.